Biggest snowstorms ever? I'm counting down from smallest to largest. And yes, you're seeing real photos from each one. 1. 23 inches. Chicago blizzard, 1967. A routine forecast turned into a whiteout. The city stopped cold as cars vanished under snow and schools shut for days. 2. 27 inches. Blizzard of 78, New England. Boston was buried, tides flooded streets, and winds welded doors shut. The National Guard had to dig out highways. 3. 28 inches. The Knickerbocker Storm, 1922, Washington, D.C. Heavy, wet snow collapsed roofs, including the Knickerbocker Theater. A stark lesson in how fast conditions can turn deadly. 4. 32 inches. Snowmageddon, 2010, Mid-Atlantic. From D.C. to Philly, neighborhoods became tunnel mazes. Airports closed, grocery shelves empty. 5. 55 inches. The Great Blizzard of 1888, Northeast. Telegraph lines snapped, trains froze in place, and snowdrifts hit 50 feet. This storm reshaped how cities plan for winter. 6. 56 inches. The 1993 storm of the century. From Florida to Maine, one system dropped hurricane-force winds and epic snow, like 56 inches on Mount LeConte, Tennessee. 7. 80 inches. Buffalo Lake Effect, NOV 2022. Bands off Lake Erie locked onto suburbs like Orchard Park. Cars disappeared, stadiums vanished. Classic Great Lakes snow machine. 8. 95 inches. Silver Lake, Colorado, April 1921. The same storm that set the U.S. 24-hour record, 75.8 inches, stacked up a mind-bending multi-day total near the Continental Divide.